This right here is the content creation terminal I built. And in the next few minutes, I am going to show you how it takes raw data, transform it into high performing social media content, and post it across multiple platforms, fully automated, while you sit back and watch your brand grow on autopilot. Before I run this scenario, let's check my social media accounts: Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. Alright, this is the content I posted manually. But let's see what happens when we let the AI take over. So here's the setup. This scenario has two rules, one for image based content, another for video editing. Simple, efficient, and scalable. I have set the AI's knowledge base to the daily crypto updates, the source and RSS feed module, constantly pulling in the latest, most viral crypto news. Always fresh, always relevant. Now, here's the real power move. This system isn't locked to crypto. You want finance content, fitness, e commerce, tech, done. You can run multiple content stream at the same time. No extra work required. Now, let's run the scenario. Click run once. This video editing part will take around 30 seconds. So while we wait, let's talk about why this completely changes the game. Let's be real. Manual content creation is a time-sucking nightmare. Researching, writing, designing, editing, it's a full-time job just to stay relevant. But with this system, zero manual work. The AI handles everything. You just watch the results roll in. Right now, for testing purpose, I clicked run once manually. But here's the kicker, even that isn't necessary. If I enable this every 15 minutes button, the system will generate and post content you every 15 minutes, completely hands free. Want it every hour? Done. Once a day? Easy. You control the timings, and the AI keeps your social media active non-stop. Alright, scenario is completed. Let's check what AI just created for us. First, let's check the Twitter. Boom! This is the tweet, pulled from the latest crypto news. Optimized for engagement, fully automated. No typing, no brainstorming. No effort, just results. Let's open the Instagram. Same post, but with AI generated images, perfectly formatted. For this demo, I kept the background simple, but we can customize it however you want. And now YouTube. Let's see what video it made for us. Refresh. Let's open.
President Trump announces a federal strategic crypto reserve. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano lead the charge. Crypto market surges over 300 billion after the announcement. Trump's executive order aims to regulate and support crypto. On March 7th, key crypto leaders will shape the future. America is positioning itself as the global crypto leader. Stay tuned. Crypto's future in the US is unfolding now.
Look at this title, clickable, engaging. And here's the video itself, a short form, high quality content piece, fully automated. Exactly what social platform push right now. And this video is also posted as a reel inside the Instagram. And check the description. So, what does this mean for you? No more wasted time, no more stress, no more manual content creation. This system runs in the background while you focus on making money. Your brand stay active, your audience stay engaged, your content pipeline never runs dry, all without lifting a finger. And if you want this for your business, email me now. I will set it up for you, customized to your exact needs. Let's automate your content, scale your brand, and make content creation effortless. Hit me up, let's make this happen.